We're making this movie now.
We're making this movie now.
It is a beautiful scene.
It is a beautiful scene.
With Wonder Woman showing her mystical teleportation.
Wonder Woman showing her breast.
No.
Oh.
What the heck?
Mystical teleportation.
Mystical teleportation.
Arrow movie popcorn reels.
Arrow movie popcorn reels.
With an I heart you boulder.
With an I heart you boulder.
The two flamingos were dancing.
The two flamingos were dancing with each other.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
And then they received a plaque for the best dancers in town. Ooh, flamingos.
And then they received the best plaque in town. Ooh, flamingos.
And then Katira had a long ponytail.
What?
Kitana had a long ponytail.
And then Kitana had a long ponytail down her back.
Kitana. This beat goes on.
This beat goes on. I really need to spit.
Oh, we'll get some spit in that bottle. Another gross experience of my life.
Another gross experience of Leah's life.
Ooh, Ty spitting in a bottle.
Ooh, Ty, make sweet love to me. That's what you said, isn't it?
Nasty spit in that bottle.
Nasty spit in that bottle.
Spit of gross tar.
Spit of gross tar.
And Leah is so beautiful.
Leah is the most beautiful girl in the world.
And I like her hair.
I like her hair a lot. It really smells good.
And movie reels and popcorn.
And movie reels and that popcorn so buttery.
And this wonderful story is now coming to an end.
This story, wonderful story, is coming to an end.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Catwoman sucks.
See ya.
Catwoman sucks.
See ya.
Meg off.
I was doing that, dude.
Bye.
Bye.